Is Inno Setup crashing because of the Inno Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. To start fixing Inno library manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the Inno library, the Inno Setup Custom Action library. It provides unmanaged localized routines for localized software installers to perform localized specialized tasks like localized registry, localized cleaning during the setup orchestration. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Innoca is part of the proprietary Inno Setup package. A full, clean reinstall of the latest official version of Inno Setup will repair any missing or damaged components that are causing the launch failure. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Inno library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. A vital technical reminder: modifying Inno library DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to Inno library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Inno library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.